what's happening.
Yes, we miss you. And we need you to remember some cheers. Yes, all right, love you. Bye.
This is wonderful. We're having a healthy.
Oh, that smells good.
Look at that. Is that skill or what? Chef Catherine open pair.
Oh, yeah.
We have apple sausage, broccolini, peppers,
Carrots, onion,
and of course.
And Barbara chopping basil over here. Our daughter can do more than that.
Yes,
And Sherry drinking the wine.
Sherry did a lot of the vegetables, brought them in, we all.
and Gloria did all the chopping and supervising.
And I cleaned up, that's why the kitchen's clean.
And cleaning up. Oh, she did the onions. Look, she's crying.
Let's all celebrate and have a good time. Celebration. We gon' celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you.
Name is Gloria.
I don't know. I don't remember.
That's all we remember?
That's all I remember.
Okay.
She's so cool.
That's all I remember of
She's
mine.
so cool.
She
Did
can-
it
Something.
school. Something school and cool.
Coolest girl
I
in
thought
the
it
school.
was- No,
Okay.
no.
Yeah,
That had something to do with dance.
Okay, Renee, do you remember yours?
I think mine was, her name was Renee. That's no lie. She may be
Quiet, but she ain't shy.
Aww.
Okay, Sherry is, her name is Sherry, and wait, what more can be said? We have to be nice because she's our head. Her name is Kathy.
No
You don't
idea.
remember anything?
Absolutely nothing.
Okay, her name is Liz. She's the cutest cheerleader. Her name is Liz. She's lots of fun. She's the cutest cheerleader under the sun.
This is a terrible video here.
Barbara.
I don't remember mine.
Her name is Barbara.
She's so cute.
Hottest little mama.
Something like that.
Varsity, you're right. Something.
As you
something.
can see.
Oh yeah. Her name is Barbara. As you can see, she's the hottest little mama on varsity.
Aww.
See? Her name
pretty
is
good.
Gloria. What Gloria is? Gloria is something about your smile. Biggest smile.
Yeah.
Grin. Biggest grin.
No, it had something to do with dance.
Dance.
Yeah. that.
Oh, Boogie, get down,
Yeah,
get
something
down.
like that.
Soul.
Oh.
Soul.
Oh,
She's
yeah.
full of soul.
Yeah.
Her name is Gloria.
She's so soul and cool. No.
She's so cool.
I have to make some up. I'll make it up.
We need to talk to Liz. She'll
Yeah,
remember.
Liz
She'll
will remember.
all.
Liz, we need your help.
Time difference.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
I would.
Later. Once
Later.
we connect with